Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Weight Loss Journey, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel? It helps other people know when they post the latest video like this one. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor, I don't make any medical claims, so this is all based on my own personal journey. So please do your homework first before you get started. Well, welcome to week 89 Keto Results, and what we did and our weight. Well, it's also the beginning of the new month, and of course every new month and every new day is a new chance to start over, and May is no exception. So we started the month off at around 216, and I ended the month at 215.1. I only lost a pound for the month, a little bit disappointed, but so I got to gloat over it. We had something called Easter that came up. I didn't have any Easter candy, but we had some bad food choices. And then Donna and I, we had our anniversary Thursday. We got married in 91, and we've been together for 8 years before that, before we got married. So we all together about 41 years, and had a terrific day. We went over to El Camino's Italian place, and we ended up having some pasta, which I knew I shouldn't have had. But I had gnocchi and meatball, and it was a good day. But I need all of it. I only ate a little bit of it because I was really full. Gnocchi sit pretty much in your tummy, and it made my stomach sick all day because I hadn't had that kind of food in a while. So we had a good day there. So everything else is going along good. So Monday we went up to the chiropractor Monday for the follow-up on an x-ray on my hip. And I need hip replacement. My right hip is totally gone. They're going to be doing stem cell injections in my left hip and in my lower back late in the fall. And this coming Tuesday, I have to go down to Worcester to get a consultation for my right hip to see when they're going to be able to do the surgery. And I want to have it done at UMass at some point when they can get it scheduled. And I want to get it done as soon as possible so I can start having better, healthier life going forward. So all this time we thought it was my back, and it turns out to be my hip. And so that's what we got going on there. We did some walking this past week, and they're all done filming that movie at the Doyle Estate. So we went over there 2 days ago. Today is Sunday. We went out. We did a 2-mile walk this morning. Absolutely beautiful morning. It was started out a little chilly in the 45, 50-ish, and then it just kind of warmed right up to almost 65. And by the time I got done walking, I took my sweater off. But yeah, I had a good day walking today. I filmed it downtown, but I didn't like how the video came out, so I decided to film it over here in the back room over here. We got a nice brand new tablecloth for our table, so we do some cooking. So this coming month there, we're going to get involved with the Derek's Weight Challenge. Steffi from the Incredible Shrinking Steffi had done that last month, and she was very successful. So I'm going to push out my weight for this month. I'm also doing a keto, what Ron Eats in a Day series. Day 1 we made cube steak, which was today, and then we made a meatloaf Friday, which we're going to have the leftover tomorrow. And I'll film out how I make it and prep it all up and everything. Of course, we're going to go back to eat some more shapples again. And I do want to make that calzone recipe that Jess and her mom Deborah had done on Keto Rewind, and I have all the ingredients. Those came in the other day. You gotta love Amazon, because every time I just ordered some gluten-free pork rind and some pork rind that with the Italian seasoning already mixed in. So I got 2 different kinds of pork rind coming in, and you can't top it. I mean, the prices are very reasonable. If you don't like it, you can bring it to Kohl's and bring it right back and get your money back almost instantly. So kudos to Amazon. And matter of fact, we got one being built in our city, and it'll be ready sometime next year. But I wanted to show you some a demonstration of with the tape measure. So we're going to do some complete set of measurements at the beginning of the month of May. Our goal is to get down to 200 and beyond, but right now I am 35 pounds away from hitting that target weight of 180. And like I said, I had my weight down to 203, and I really bummed myself out. But we're not going to gloat about that part about it. Let's go get my tape measure, and I'll show you where I am today with my measurements, and I'll put some past measurements up and maybe a past photo or two. And I'll scale my video down a little bit so you can see. So typically what I do is I measure my neck, my chest to chest, my belly button to belly button and my waist to my waist. And it's a flat tape measure. I bought it at Michael's, I believe. Could have bought it at Michael's or Walmart's. But anyways, my neck is 15. That's what my neck is, my size of my neck. I take off my shirt, but you don't want to see my gross body underneath my skin because I got a lot of loose skin. Mind you, I got my shirt on, so my chest to chest is 39 inches. Can you see that? My chest to chest is 39 inches. I'm trying to not pop out of the camera so much because you got to lose part of the video. I'm using a green screen, by the way. My belly button, again, is my shirt on. Okay. Wow. So my belly button is a 41. And I'll we'll do a comparison on the measurements afterwards. I'll pick up my shirt a little bit. I had a gray shirt on earlier, but I slobbered all over it, and I wanted to show my greasy spot all over it. So according to my waist says it's a 42. But here's the kicker. I'm now down into a size 34 pants from being in the size 60. And I'm into a medium shirt from being into a size 5X. So I'm very, very blessed and very, very thankful. And I can't thank everybody enough that support my weight loss journey. And the other thing about the weight loss journey, without the weight loss, having hip surgery or any kind of surgery is very, very risky. So I'm very, very blessed and very, very thankful that I've been able to lose the weight and try to maintain it and keep it off. But yeah, so everything is going good, guys. You know, again, the doctor told me he wants me to be very, very careful with the hip. And like I said, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning member, welcome back. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't think I have anything more else to add, but I may do a follow-up video later on in the week, let you know how we make out as far as the appointment goes and when we're going to schedule all that out. And you know, in the meantime, I'm going to try to push off some more weight with getting involved in Derek's weight loss journey challenge. I think I'll have a pretty good successful weight loss, and it may, you know, make me accountable for my weight loss. It'll give me something to look forward to. We not going to do the step challenge this month. We did okay. We could have done better, but my hip has been really bad, and I got to just be careful. And I'm going to try to get out there and do 1 to 2 miles every day, regardless. But you know, I still got to be careful. But anyways, like I said, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. If you're looking for inspirational videos, check out chats from Keto Rewind and Steffi and the incredible Shriek and Steffi. I have a whole host of other people who I follow, and I have their links below the video. Like I said, always check with your doctors first before you decide to do any journey regarding your health, because you don't want to get yourself in a situation and be ready later. But I'm going to have those measurements when I first started my journey, and show you a photograph of what I looked like before, back in August of 2020. But anyways, thank you for following me. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great week. Love you guys.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song, sing you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your lips. Tell them all to sail